Ready to add a splash of magic to your pre-cruise countdown? Well, I'm going to show you how to do one of the most magical and free things that you can do to get ready for your Disney cruise, the Disney character call. This is a free service that Disney Cruise Lines provides, but a lot of people miss it when they're doing their pre-cruise planning. So I'm going to go on a step-by-step guide on how to help you book this activity. To start, you're going to want to navigate to the Disney Cruise Line app, the Navigator app, or to the Disney Cruise website. I do prefer the website for this particular activity because it just seems to be a little easier to do than with the app. So once you're on the website, you're going to actually log on and click My Reservations. Find the reservation that you're looking to book the call for, click it, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page till you find Complementary character call. The first part is probably the most fun. You're going to pick your character. You can do, at this current moment, Mickey, Goofy, or Mickey and Minnie. To get started, you're going to need to tell Disney about you, what country you're in, what state, what's your email address, and your phone number. Those last two are the most important, as they let Disney know who to call and who to send the confirmation email to. Make sure before you get started that you know your ship's name, your destination, and your departure date. Hopefully you know all those. Once all that important cruise information is put in, now you get to decide when the magic happens. So you can either schedule the call for now, which means that you will get the call within 5 minutes, or schedule for a particular time. If you choose to schedule it, make sure to know what date and time you are wanting to schedule for. Be mindful of the time zone that you will be in. I know I don't live in Florida. When I'm in Florida and I'm wanting to make a special call, I have to be mindful of being in the Eastern time zone and not the time zone that I'm currently in. After you hit next, you're going to finalize a few little details, and then you'll see a confirmation screen. Once you see your call is scheduled, you are good to go. The call will come exactly when you said it will. Now, be mindful that it could be a few minutes after, but it'll be about the right time. Now, special plug, as I am a travel advisor, all my clients get a special reminder in their itinerary for this call. It is particularly on the day that you will get the call with a reminder and your confirmation image. This is such a fun way to start your cruise, to surprise your family. We are really not good about surprises around here. I always think I'm going to do a surprise cruise. It never happens. I always get too excited and I want my family's input on planning. But this is a great way to surprise your family before you get on your cruise, or even the night before when you're at your pre-cruise hotel. I really enjoy the magic of just sitting down, having our bags packed, our luggage tags ready to go, and we get a call. Here is a clip of our last cruise call.
Oh, Minnie, have you heard? Have you heard? Heard what? Our friend is coming for a visit. Oh,
Who's that?
isn't it exciting? It sure is. In fact, I'm talking to him right now. You are? Well, you have to tell him hello from me, okay?
Hello, Minnie.
Got it. All right, pal. Minnie wanted me to say hello, and that we're really excited that you're coming to see us. Tell him that too. And that we're really excited you're coming to see us. And
And that we can hardly wait until they get here.
Us too.
we can hardly wait until you get here. And wait, anything else, Minnie?
No, that's it.
Well then, go. It sure was great talking.
Wait. No, I think that was it. Sorry.
Aw, that's all right, Minnie. Like I was saying, it sure was great talking to you. And we'll see ya real soon. Aw,
Real soon.
bye now.
Bye.
Bye.
And remember, we love you.
Where are we going? That'll do it for this episode. If you learned something new, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for all Disney Cruise content. Here at Ports and Palaces, we love all the ports, all the palaces, and everything in between. Make sure to join us for any Disney World, Universal, Royal Caribbean, or Disney Cruise news that might be coming your way. We'll try to stay relevant with what's coming, what's exciting, and what each family needs as they're planning for their trips. And as always, happy travels from all your ports to palaces. Bye!